What's up, YouTube? It's Bert from B&E Adventures Media. Today we're going to go over the Akrapovic exhaust on the CB500X and do a little comparison with the DB Killer and without, with a after market microphone and with the just regular onboard GoPro mic. And we're going to also I'll go ahead and give you a little pointer on how to remove the DB Killer, because on this particular exhaust you have to drill out the carbon fiber on it in order to get access to the bolt for removal. We'll go ahead and show you that now. All right, here is the Akrapovic carbon can. It is a actual legit can. Purchased it from Revzilla, has all the OEM serial and everything like that. So on these, this is how you will remove the DB Killer on them. Right here on the actual inside of the exhaust, you'll see a little rubber plug that I put in there. But basically, if you look in through here, you can actually see from the inside when the bolt is installed about where you'll have to drill it out. And then basically you put a hole here and it gives you access to the bolt for removal. And then after that's all set and done, you can get yourself an actual plug to fill it, or you could leave it blank. I chose to go ahead and put an OEM plug back in. And once the bolt is removed, basically the best way to remove it is to get yourself some cloth and a pair of vice grips. And once it's in, you can pull it out. And that's pretty much it for the removal. I'll list in the description below the size drill that you'll need for removal, and then I'll put a link for the eBay for the plugs if you wanted to order one of those. Alright, so I did have to remove my tag and my skiing lighting because I was getting a real bad vibration in between revs. So I'm going to go ahead and leave those unbolted, so I shouldn't have any type of weird feedback during the audio.